Next, this is our code. Lock the injection mold. So you see, this is the products which come out from this mold already. So one mold have the table sets 24 pieces. Maybe I show you the details. Okay, you see it's different. It's two parts. It's two parts. Okay, it's dropping out the electric. Okay, and kerosene. So the outer port without connecting the cooling system, it's about 32 seconds per shoot. If with the cooling system, cooling pipe, I mean the cooling water, and the outer port, it just need about 15 seconds per shoot. I mean 15 seconds per shoot. So this machine with PLC, okay, and the touch screen. 这是